I'm just so over it. First, they didn't give me a gate. You know what? I'm not gonna talk about it.
No, questo sì che è bello, tutto bianco. Tanto io ma tipo ci stanno un botto di monti, di montagne. Andiamo.
Try this again. The camera just picks up way more better on my phone, I swear. It's like I need a new camera. But yes, this is the closet. I just put my stuff down, you know, here quickly because I didn't want it to look like a mess. As soon as I came in, I had to find an adapter. I nearly lost it because I'm like, how the hell am I not gonna flat iron my hair? All the adapters are different. They had to get this little thing. I don't know, you know, I'm really tired, honestly, so I'm not gonna do it to myself. I don't wanna waste up all my footage on this camera because I still wanna make a haul. There's still a really good haul I wanna do. Yeah, this looks way more better on my phone. So the tour is definitely gonna be on my phone. The haul is gonna be on my phone. Everything else, the vlogs are gonna be with my camera. Cause it just shows everything and it's so good with it's so good with handling the light. But anyways, this is the bathroom. And the towel that I just stepped on and ruined. But yeah, the bathroom is nice. This is what I wore to the airport. You guys already saw it though. I really love that. Yep. So this is the main area, the couch. And I really love the detail. The lights really make up a room, and they like to do that a lot in the architecture. But yeah. And here's the private pool. There's a big ship in the way right now, and I hope it moves because it's just gonna ruin it for me for today. Probably gonna leave later on at night. Absolutely gorgeous, just gorgeous. And it looks way bigger than it does in the pictures. It's crazy. I thought the room was smaller than this, honestly. I didn't know they had a walk-in closet. And it looks like a sauna. For a second, I thought they had a sauna, but it's not a sauna. And this door too, I don't know how to close properly. I don't know. Like honestly, the door is probably the only problem I'm gonna have in here because that is a little bit too tough for my liking. It should never be that tough in case of an emergency. So I'm finally about to use the shower and I'm scared because I really don't want to mess up my hair and I have a feeling it's gonna all come from the ceiling. I just have a feeling. And I feel like it's gonna come from here, everywhere. Oh, I didn't even realize you can see through the shower. That is so nice. It's funny because that's what I wanted in Hawaii. All right, so I've realized that if you push this in, this works. So yes, it does come. There you go. It does. So it does come from the ceiling. Which is a no for me because, you know, I'm black, you know. Can't mess up the hair. But it's okay. Right. This was so good. Oh my gosh. This right here was so good. I had to take it for later. Oh my gosh. Definitely an experience. I loved it. I haven't gotten any sleep last night. And I don't think I'm gonna sleep, honestly. Because I want to go swimming. When you can finally do a night swim. Well, I've done a night swim before, but this right here, that's why I brought my drink back. And it's so warm outside too. It's so cold in my room. I forgot how to unlock this is one door. I be having problems with it. All night, but you know, I gotta sleep, and then on top of that, I'm gonna be honest, the drinks, not that strong. Not that strong. Definitely going swimming tonight. It's a little cold in there, but honestly, I'm gonna still go in there. So I'm about to change it to my swimming suit while the phone is charging. I gotta delete a lot of stuff, and I feel like I already gotta edit tonight because I posted a lot today. My battery is full up, and I still gotta film the rest of my haul. But everything is going well so far. A lot of things could have went wrong. I'm not gonna lie. Things was going left, but these people really saved me on this trip, because I don't know how I forgot certain things, but whatever. This, oh my gosh, it's so good. I don't know why they didn't give me a fork.